Chapter 3. Stanley wants a day off. The next day, Stanley's body hurt. It even hurt to lift his spoon to eat breakfast. Stanley started digging his second hole. He found a rock with fish fossils in it. Stanley remembered the day off rule. When someone found a treasure the warden liked, that person could get the day off. He hoped the warden liked his treasure. Stanley showed it to his camp counselor, Mr. Pedanski. Mr. Pedanski said the fossil was not a treasure. Stanley had to keep working. Stanley found a treasure. X-Ray was the leader of Tent D. After Stanley found the treasure, X-Ray asked Stanley to give him the next interesting thing he found. Stanley wanted the boys to like him. He said okay to X-Ray. Stanley was the last one to finish digging his hole again. When he got back to camp, Mr. Pedanski was talking with all of the boys. He wanted the boys to start making goals for when they left the camp. He wanted them to know they were in charge of their futures. All the boys had nicknames. They named Stanley the Caveman. He was glad they gave him a nickname. It meant the boys liked him. Stanley found a treasure. The next day, Stanley started digging his 14th hole. After lunch, he found something shiny in the dirt in his hole. It was a narrow gold tube about the size of his index finger. It had a heart with the letters KB carved in it. Stanley didn't think Mr. Pedanski would think it was a treasure, so he gave it to X-Ray.